What if you could simplify your life and amplify your fulfillment in life simply by using AI? Imagine just 6 weeks from now, overwhelm is no longer an issue, and you're no longer suffering from that little nagging fear of missing out on the AI wave. Instead, you are optimizing AI like a master. And what's more, you're feeling so clear, so certain, so calm, and above all, confident. And you're automating your business and your life like a master. And you're doing it with friends from around the world. No more do you need to suffer from info overload or feeling like, am I losing revenue? Are the competitors getting the edge on me? Letting that go fully and letting go that sense of, I'm not sure which way I should go, what tools I should spend my precious time learning and mastering. And above all, no more letting this fear of not being as productive as you could possibly be. Let that fear go. Become the new AI empowered you. Embrace this new you that is making money at every hour of the day and getting back your time and your energy. And with your friends from around the world, celebrating your new successes daily. This is my vision for you. I want to see you feeling like you are the hero of your business and your life. And I want to see you getting that upper edge. I want to see all my friends and family having that competitive edge that puts them far and above the competition and celebrating those wins each and every day. In this upcoming course, we're going to cover 6 pillars of transformation. First, you're going to simplify all of these systems. Instead of having too much, you're going to get through the hype and get to the practical tools that will really make the biggest difference for you. And then we're going to get into my secret for precision planning. This is how you're going to make sure that you're not just adding to-dos to your to-do list, but you're actually getting to the immediate, most important things that will bring you the greatest fulfillment. Then we're going to dive deep on power prompting with my Rockstar framework so that you get optimal results each and every time you use AI. And then we'll go deep with the super AI agents. Have you heard of agents? Can you imagine waking up in the morning to like a dossier of everything that you need to do? Say you have all the leads you need to call, or all the emails have a first draft already made for you. This is possible and so much more with agents. They are the key to automation. And in this course, you're going to learn how to create your own agents. And you're not only going to learn how, but you're going to do it so that it becomes something that is part of your system. Next level, emotional mastery in Module 5. All of this is going to have a theme of using AI for personal growth. Yes, you can use AI to get further, faster with your personal development. You need to have some help learning which beliefs are holding you back. You need to learn what is your main overarching ultimate purpose in life. AI can help. It can help you get there faster. And then finally, in week 6, we're going to track. We're going to show how you can measure the things that matter, because what you measure is what you manage and is what grows. These are the 6 pillars of transformation. This is the course that you've been looking for. We're going to go for 6 weeks in depth, and you're going to have one lesson each week and then one optimization session, an implementation time when we work side by side together so that you actually do the work. It doesn't become just shelf help. It's something that you actually do. We're going to meet via live Zoom sessions working in real time together. They will be recorded in case you have to miss one. But I recommend that you come as much as possible because there's going to be added benefit for those that can attend. And we're going to do this together. We're going to have friends from around the world that give us that extra motivation. In addition, we're going to have tools, toolkits, templates that will allow you to quickly get to the result that you want. I believe deeply in learning by doing. And in this course, we are going to implement. We're going to optimize and we're going to accelerate. So this is your turn to get on top of AI. And I find that when I go through a course and I just learn something passively, maybe even take a bunch of notes, I might not actually implement what I learn. Has that ever happened to you? So in this course, it's designed to make sure that you actually do the work, because you're going to be working side by side with me and your peers, and you're going to be having assignments, and you're going to be getting feedback. And believe me, that will motivate you to do the work so that at the end of these 6 weeks, it will be done. You will have achieved your next level of AI mastery. I believe deeply in this saying. If I hear something, I'm probably going to forget it. If I see something, well, I might remember it. But if I do something, that's when I really understand it. So that's what you're going to get in this course. But we don't want to stop there. I'm going to add on these bonuses. You're going to get my notebook LM of a previous content that was so stellar. And that means that you're going to be able to not just interact with it and chat with it, but you're going to be able to listen to a podcast of it or watch a video of it, all created by AI. It's a super fun way to process anything that you're learning. And that reminds me of another bonus that I have here, my Amplified Life Learning bonus, where we talk about how to use AI to get the very most out of anything that you're going to, any seminar, webinar, or any book that you're reading, anything that you're taking in. You can greatly amplify your lifelong learning with AI. I'm also going to share with you some awesome tips and techniques for creating images and videos in AI. You're going to be part of our 12-month mastermind to really enjoy the community as long as possible. And then what's more, I'm going to give you a personalized one-on-one boarding session. If you were to work with me on a one-to-one coaching session, it would cost $30,000 a year. One session would go for $1,000. I'm going to gift you that session so that you maximize the benefit from this course. This is the time. This is the time for you to win and feel like you are the victor of that day by implementing, by optimizing, and by accelerating your AI growth. And the biggest way is we're going to get that personalized roadmap with that onboarding session so that you really maximize what AI is to you in your life and your business. All this in just 6 weeks. Now, this would normally value at $6,200. And I'm going to launch the course officially at the beginning of the next year, and I'm going to charge $3,000 for it then, but you don't have to pay that because you are co-creating with me. So the investment on this course is simply $11.97. This is a deal of a lifetime. This is something that if I were you, I would run, not walk, to get involved in. Just imagine that you are inspiring others even more with your AI-empowered new self. Maybe that book that you've thought about writing is done. Maybe you've created a super website that represents you so well and converts leads into customers. Maybe you got that YouTube following that you've always dreamed of, where people are interacting, they're engaging with your content. They're not just smashing that like button, but they're commenting back and forth. They're attending your live sessions. Or maybe you're launching that business that you've always dreamed of. Or if you have a business already, maybe you're launching your next business. You don't need to do this alone. You can do this with me. You can do it with friends from around the world. And we're going to be taking this ever-changing AI adventure with the guidance that you deserve. What's more, at the end, you'll be certified as an AI master of optimization. And I know that you're going to love this course. I know that you're going to be overwhelmed in a good way with how much value has been delivered. I believe in this content so much. I've seen the results with previous students. I know you're going to love it. And I want to make it easy for you to say yes, to let go of any hesitation. So for I'm going to give you a better than money back guarantee. If you don't like the course within the first 7 days, you can cancel. And not only will you get your money back 100%, but also you'll get to keep all the bonuses. That's my better than money back guarantee. So sign up right now, click the link to join, and I look forward to seeing you in the class so that you start your AI transformation today. This is your time. Do not wait. AI is not going to take your job. It's not going to cause your business to fail. But if you don't take up AI now, the person who does use it very well might. It is that huge. This is way bigger than the internet. This is the revolution where more changes are going to be happening in the next 5 years than has happened in like 5 centuries. It's huge. So join me in the course. Click the little join now button. I look forward to seeing you in the course. We're going to have a lot of fun together, and you are going to learn how to simplify and amplify your life using AI. See you in the course.